Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple little project. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to store emails in an array, and we're going to enter emails into an array, and if the email in the array is a duplicate, we're going to tell the owner. So first of all, I'm going to create an array here, so hopefully called my and email array. Okay, then we're going to create a subroutine called store email. Okay, then we're going to print a message to the user telling them what to do. Enter your email. Okay. Then we're going to get the user input using entry and assigning that to standard input. Okay, so that will get the user input. Now we're going to do the conditional, starting with if, and we're going to use grep here to match, and we're going to use this to iterate over all the email entries, and if that is equal to the entry at email array, if we find the same email in there, we're going to tell the user. So we're just going to tell the user here, we're going to print out a message to them. Print, I'm going to say email address already stored. So the email address is already stored there. I'm going to print try again, and what we're going to do, we're going to do the lazy way around here. We're just going to start the program again. This is the little lazy shortcut for this. So that will send us back up to store email, and it will start the program over again. Or else, if that's not the case, I must say that this store email here is not the best practice. It works, but it's not the best practice. Okay, so let's have a look. Else, print storing email address. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use this here called push, and this is going to push the email address into the array. So we have to do, what's the name, email array, and we're going to push the entry into it like that, and then we're going to print, we're going to print out the array so we can actually see what's in it, and that's going to be email array. Whoops. And a new line there. Okay, and then we're basically just going to go back to store email again. Okay, So what we're going to do now, we're going to save it and we're going to call the program. We'll just call it by its name, store email. Okay, let's do that. Save it again, let's run it. Okay, so enter your email. So I'm going to say dave@hotmail.com. Storing email, so you can see Dave's in there. bill@yahoo.com. Okay, so we've got Dave, we've got Bill, Sid at yahoo.com. Okay, so we've got 3 entries in there, so let's try and enter the same one. So I'm going to try and see if I can enter bill@yahoo.com. Okay, email address already stored, try again. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment if you so wish, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.